Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIABS Home School. I am Ashis, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is arithmetics. In our class we shall solve two CQ number 1 and 3. CQ number 1 will be your CW and CQ number 3 will be your SW. My dear student, today is our lesson number 34 of annual term and today's SW number will be 33. So my dear student, let us start our class. Before starting our class, at first we read the question. Here the question is, the weight of a bucket full of water is 16 into 1 by 2 kg and 1 by 4 of the bucket contains water weighing 5 into 1 by 4 kg. So question number A, find the LCM of the given weights. That means two weights are given, which are 16 into 1 by 2 and 5 into 1 by 4. So from these two fraction we find the LCM. Okay. Question number B, if the weight of empty bucket is x, then find an equation from the given facts. That means by using the condition and using that the empty bucket weight is x kg, then we find out a equation, which is the required equation of question number B. Question number C, what is the weight of the empty bucket? Notice question number B, the weight of the empty bucket is x. That means from equation B, which is from equation B, we solve that and finally we get the value of x, which is the weight of the empty bucket. I hope you have understood. Now we shall start our class. Question number A, find the LCM of the given weights. First of all I write given that. Given that the weights are 16 into 1 by 2 kg, which is written as 16 to the 32 plus 1, 33 by 2 kg, and another one is 5 into 1 by 4 kg. That means this is improper fraction, we convert it into, sorry, this is mixed fraction, we convert it into improper fraction. 5 4 are 20 plus 1, 21 by 4 kg. Now my dear students, we find the LCM of the given two fractions. What do you mean by LCM of the fractions? LCM of fractions means LCM of the numerator divided by the HCF of the denominator. For this reason, at first we find out the LCM of the numerators. Here the numerators are 33 and 21. So write here the numerators of the two fractions are 33 and 21. Okay. Now, and their LCM is, how can we find? Notice 33, 21. Notice both number is divided by 3. 3, if we divide 33 by 3, then we get 11. If we divide 21 by 3, then we get 7. Now we multiply 3, 11 and 7 because there is no common divisor of 11 and 7 because both are prime number. Okay, 3 11s are 33 and 33 multiplied by 7. Notice 7 3s are 21 carrying 2, 7 3s are 21 and 2 23. So their LCM is 231. Okay, so numerator is done. Next we and the denominators of the two fractions are 2 and 4 and their shape is Notice 2, 4. Dear student, notice both number is divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 is the only common divisor of 2 and 4. For this reason 2 is the HCF of 2 and 4. So HCF of 2 and 4 is 4. So now we find the LCM of the fractions equal to LCM of the numerators and HCF of the denominators. Now LCM of the numerator is 231 and HCF is 4. So this is the answer. 231 by 4. I hope you have understood. Sorry, this is not 4. HCF is 2. So it is 2. I hope you have understood. My dear students, I repeat again. Their HCF is 2. So LCM is 231 and HCF is 2. So 231 by 2 is the required answer. Okay, next we shall solve question number B. Dear students, first of all, notice if the weight of the empty bucket is x kg. So write, given that the weight of the empty bucket is x kg. Okay, dear students, weight of the empty bucket is x kg. Here you notice this is the bucket. Okay, it is filled with water. Dear student, notice weight of a bucket full of water is 16 into half kg. Dear students, that means here the weight of water and the weight of empty bucket is 16 into half kg. That means total weight of bucket and water is 16 into 1 by 2 kg. But here notice the weight of the empty bucket is x kg. That means if I subtract this x kg from that 16 into 1 by 2, then we get the total weight of the only water. Okay, I hope you have understood. So now write here the weight of a bucket full of water is 16 into 1 by 4 kg. So 16 into 1 by, sorry, this will be 2, 1 by 2 kg. Dear students, now notice if I subtract this x kg, that means bucket's weight, then I get the weight of only water. So now write, therefore the total weight of only water is 16 into 1 by 2 minus x kg. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next, dear student, notice if 1 by 4 of the bucket contains water weighing 5 into 1 by 4 kg. Write this. If 1 by 4 of the bucket contains water weighting 5 into 1/4 kg. This is also the weight bucket with water. So if I subtract the weight of bucket from this, then we get the weight of only water. So the weight of only 1/4 part water is 5 into 1/4 minus x kg. Dear student, it is 1/4 part of water weight. But if I told you that the total bucket is full of water, then what will be here? 1/4 part. That means if we multiply this expression by 4, then we get the total amount of weight of full water of the bucket. So now write, so the total weight of water is 5 into 1/4 minus x multiplied by this 4. Okay, I hope you have understood. My dear student, now notice this is the total weight of only water. This is also the total weight of only water. According to the condition, if I write this one equal to this one, then that equation will be the required equation. Okay, now write according to the given condition, (16 into 1/2 minus x equal to 5 into 1/4 minus x into 4, which is the required equation. Okay, I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is the answer of question number B. Next we shall solve question number C. Okay, for this reason I erase question number B. We need this equation to find out the value of x. First of all, I write from B we get from B we get 16 into half minus x equal to 5 into 1/4 minus x multiplied by 4. Dear student, notice we need to find out the weight of empty buckets, but here you notice question number B, the weight of empty bucket is x kg. So by using this x kg we get a equation. So if I find out the value of x, then that value of x will be the weight of the empty bucket. So I hope you have understood. Question number B, we have already make an equation. Okay, in question number C we shall solve this equation. After that we get a value of x, which is the required weight of the empty bucket. Okay, so now we solve this. Notice at first we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 16 2s are 32 plus 1 33/2 minus x equal to 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21 4 minus x multiply 4. Now my dear students, 33/2 minus x equal to, we multiply both number by 4. If we multiply 21 by 4 with 4, then this 4 cut and left 21. And if we multiply 4 with x, then we get minus 4x. Now notice here is x term, we need the value of x. For this reasons, minus 4x changes its position, that means it go to the right hand side, and as it minus sign, and in left hand side it will be plus sign, that means 4x minus x. Here 21 don't change its position, for this reason it is fixed, but 33 by 2 change its position, that means 33 by 2. Now if I subtract x from 4x, then I get 3x. Okay, now 2 is the LCM of 2 and 1. Now we divide 2 by 1 and we get 2. 2 is multiplied with this one, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, minus. You divide 2 by 2 and we get 1. That one is multiplied with this one and it will be 33. Now notice 3x. We subtract 3 to 2. That means 2 is smaller than 3. For these reasons we consider this is 12. And if I subtract 3 from 12, then we get 1. And that 1 is added with this 3 and it is 4. 4 minus 4, that means 0. That means if I subtract 33 from 42, then we get 9. And this 2 is here. My dear students, now you notice here 3, here 9. If I divide both sides by 3, then we get, here is x and here is 3 by 2. I hope you have understood. That means if we divide 3 by 3, then I get 1x, that means x. If I divide this 9 by 3, then we get 3. This 3 and this 2 is here. Now why? It is improper fraction and I convert it into mixed fraction. 2 1 ja 2, 1. That means x equal to 2 into 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 into this 1 into this 1 by 2. And this is the weight of empty bucket. Now write so the weight of the empty bucket is 1 into kg. Answer 2 kg. I hope you have understood. My dear students, this is our today's lecture. That means our today's CW, and question number 3 will be your SW, because we have already done a odd problem just like this. That odd problem is divided into 3 parts. I hope you can easily solve this math by using that odd problem. Okay, so here Abdul Rahman gave 0.125 part of his property to his wife, and he gave 0.50 part of the rest of the property to his son, and 0.25 part to his daughter. After that, he noticed he was left with property worth taka 3,15,000. Question number A. What part of property left with Abdul Rahman after giving property to his wife? Question number B. What is the total value of Abdul Rahman's property? Question number C. What was the value of his property that was given to his sons and daughter? So my dear students, you must do your essay in SW in SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. My dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.